Hi, everybody. Today is Tuesday, April 20th. I will be out today, but I wanted to make sure that I still had the ability to go over the notes. So you are going to watch these, and then you can go ahead and do the worksheets that will be collected and count as classwork, homework for this period. Amounts. An expression of an amount. A measurement, a percentage, or a fraction may be singular or plural depending on how it's used. So it's singular when thought of as a unit. $30 is too much for a ticket. 2 hours is a long wait. It's plural when thought of as individuals. $2 were scattered on the desk. They can also do this type of question with 2 pennies or multiple pieces of change, or sometimes they'll even say, something like 9 cents. Sometimes you'll get that question, but for the most part, you have to think of it, is it separate or is it a unit? If it's a unit, it's 1, which is singular, which has S, right? Because singular verbs end in S, plural verbs do not. $2 were scattered, okay? Let's take a look at the next. Some nouns that end in S take singular verbs. Politics, economics, mathematics. Physics is another one. If it's a school subject that ends in S, typically it's going to take a singular verb. Some nouns that end in S take a plural verb even when they refer to a singular item. The scissors need to be sharpened. This is a plural verb, no S. Also singular, pants and Olympics. Also here, news is another one. The news is bad. News is typically singular as well. Titles, even when plural in form, all titles of a creative work, an organization, or a country, or a city generally take a singular verb. The United Nations was founded. Badlands is my favorite Springsteen song. The Avengers is a great movie. Now, if you were saying the Avengers are going to be entering the portal, that's different if you're talking about the Avengers plural in the movie, but the movie itself gets a singular verb because it's one movie. Subjects preceded by every or many take singular verbs. You probably will never use many. It's a little bit of an older term, but if you see it, you need to know that it gets a singular verb. Many a little litter bug was surprised by the find. This is a singular verb. Every homeowner and merchant has joined the Chamber of Conference. This is where every is one unit, okay? They take singular verbs. One last slide. When a relative pronoun is a subject of a clause, the verb in the clause agrees with the word to which the relative pronoun refers. This is the store that has the discount sale. That refers to store. The Clarks, who live next door, are going with us. These are your notes for these chapters, or this chapter, this part of the agreement chapter. What you're going to do is you are going to complete files 10 and 11, and you are going to hand them in to the assignment with the YouTube link. That will count as classwork and homework for today.